Welcome to MooMooMath and Science and setting up a frequency table. And a frequency table just is a way to organize your data. So let's get started. Here's your data set. It could be the number of whales spotted or the number of owls found in a national forest or any type of thing. It's your data set. So your frequency table, the first column will be the number, or it could be the number of something. This middle section is the tally. You do not have to do the middle section, but it's helpful. And this is the frequency. In other words, how often it appears. So the first thing you need to do is figure out your numbers and number them from smallest to largest. So I'm going to set this up. And we have a 5, a 6, a 7, an 8. We have a 9. We have a 10. Looks like we have an 11. I see a 12, 13, 14, and a 15. Okay, so there are all your numbers. Now all you do is go through and tally them. I will give you a secret just to make sure your frequency is correct and you don't miss something. If you count these, there's a total of 18 of these. So when you tally up your frequency, it should equal 18. So the other thing is always mark your number off as you tally. So I see 1 5, I see another 5, and is there a third 5? Yes, right here. Okay, so I've got 3 5s. I'll try to do this quickly. So it looks like we have a 6. So, and then there is another 6 right here. 7, looks like we have 2 7s. Always mark them off, and that will help avoid mistakes. 8, looks like we have 1 8. 9, looks like I see at least 1 9, 2 9s. Looks like we have 1 2 10s. Okay, looks like we have an 11. It looks like we have a 12. How about a 13? We got a 13. 2 14s. Okay. Whoop, what am I doing? 2 14s. And then last but not least, a 15. So remember, we've got, now all we do is take the tally mark, and it's your frequency. So we have a 3, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1. Okay, and if we've done it correctly and we have everything tallied up correctly, it should equal 18. There's 5, 7, 8, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So it looks like our frequency is correct. Now from this, you can figure out the range, you can figure out which number appear the most, and it just gives you all kinds of information and you're organizing your data. Let's work one more example. Okay, so here's our next data set. Remember, the first thing we're going to do is put the numbers in order. We have a 1, we have a 2, we have a 3, looks like we have a 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and a 10. Okay, now we go through and tally. Remember, it's very important to mark everything off. So we have 2 1s. Okay, we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 2s. Last I checked. Okay, looks like we have at least 1 3. Okay, one of those. Then we've got a 4, 1, 2, 2 4s, and then let's hurry up and get this. We got a 5. I see at least 1 5. Then for 6s, I see 1 2. 8s, I see 1 2 3 4. Whoop, not 7s, excuse me. There's 8s, 1 2 3 4. I skipped 7s, I'm sorry. So here are the 7s, 1 2. And then that's why you have to mark everything off. Here's a 9. It looks like we have 1 2 9s, and then 1 10. Okay, if you count these carefully, you have 22, because I went ahead and counted them beforehand. So that's the number we're looking for. So now we have a 2, a 5, a 1, we've got a 2, we've got a 1, we've got a 2, we've got a 2, looks like we have 4 8s, a 2, and a 1. If you total this up, there's 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 21. Whoop, do I have too many? Let's double check. No, it looks like everything is correct. There's 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So there is a frequency table. Again, in summary, you just put a column, the numbers, put them from smallest to greatest. You tally them, mark everything off. I did miss the 7s, and then total up the frequency. Thanks for watching, and remember, kindness multiplies kindness. Be kind to someone today.